Well, hello and good morning, two-stroke turbo fans. Welcome back to the channel. This is my shop dog, Stella. She's anxious to go outside. I don't know why. It's pouring rain and freezing cold. Summer has gone. It is blah outside. You go out there and have a good time. She's going to find her way, and we're going to find our way. We're working on a Honda Odyssey minivan. These things are everywhere here in Portland. They're great cars. They hold the whole family. They get pretty good mileage. They're comfortable. They are amazing, actually. And we happen to own one. Not this one. This is a customer's, but we have one just like this. But these things do have kind of a weird problem. I'm going to show you what I mean. Let me turn the light on here and figure out how to do that. Oh, here it is. Okay, the light is on. So, customer says when he goes over bumps, there's weird noises. I have found the backing plates on these get rusty and loosen up. So we're going to do a tone check. That sounds, I can play music. That one's pretty solid. This one here, you can see has been welded up. You can see there's a spot weld. I don't know if you can see that right up in there. Nice and solid sounding. I think it's got to be this one. Oh yeah, can you hear that? Sounds like a box of rocks. So this backing plate has broken, and whenever you go over a bump, whenever this wheel hits a well, I don't hear it. But anyhow, in our broken streets with potholes here in Portland, that will drive you crazy. It sounds like a mariachi band playing in the background. But let's see. You can hear the rattles. Just sounds terrible. So what I do is I pull the wheel off, get behind there, tack weld the backing plate in a couple spots, and that usually fixes it. It's not an uncommon problem for all Honda products, but let's try this one. Get my fingers in there. Can't get my fingers through there. Yeah, that's the way they should sound. So we're going to fix this guy up and get him back on the road, and he will be sailing smooth again without a lot of noise. That's what was really bothering him.